but losing hold of you and me. Tunnel vision, got the butterflies, feeling high. But looking back, 'cause all I see are blue skies now. All I see are blue skies now. Fade into the background. All I see are blue skies now.
Using this. Okay. I'm going around. I need to use this again.
See are blue skies now. All I see are blue skies now. All I see are blue skies now. Fade into the background. All I see are blue skies. All I see are blue skies now. All I see are blue skies now.
This is a pork chop with rice and veggie. And then we also bought some food back from Raohe. And also I bought a contour brush for my contour because I forgot to bring my brush. This is a fried milk snack. It's not bad. It's not one of my favorites. And then this is fried yam balls, I think, or sweet potato balls with custard filling. We had this the previous time at Raohe as well, and I think it's one of my favorites, so we got it again.
Huh?